Hello, dear traveler. Hello, dear traveler. Before we begin, this video is ad-free throughout, so you can enjoy a calm, uninterrupted experience, making this space feel peaceful and authentic for you. I put lots of love into this channel and every single video I make. If you'd like to support my work, you can tap the thanks button below to leave a small tip or donation. It's a simple way to show appreciation and helps me keep creating relaxing, almost ad-free content just for you. Thank you so much for being here. Now, let's begin. Welcome to this sacred moment of stillness and exploration. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can settle in without distraction. Whether you choose to sit or lie down, allow your body to relax fully. Let your breath slow naturally as we begin a journey deep into the heart of transformation through the living metaphor of a growing tree. Take a deep, nourishing breath in. And gently breathe out, releasing any tension. Breathe in deeply again. And exhale slowly, feeling your body soften and your mind open. Now imagine yourself standing in a wide open field at the edge of an ancient forest. The sky above is a vast canvas of soft blues, pale pinks, and warm golden light filtering through the clouds. The earth beneath your feet is rich and dark, full of life. In front of you stands a small sapling. A young tree just beginning its journey. Notice its slender trunk, its delicate branches reaching tentatively toward the sky. Its leaves are fresh and tender, a vibrant green catching the sunlight like tiny emerald flames. Step closer to the sapling and feel the warm sun on your skin. The gentle breeze rustling its leaves. Breathe in the fresh scent of the earth. The moss and the growing greenery. As you gaze at the sapling, allow yourself to become this tree. Embodying its patient, steady growth. First, your roots begin to grow deep into the earth beneath you. Imagine them slowly unfurling and stretching downward, burrowing through soft soil, winding around rocks reaching for water and nutrients. These roots anchor you securely, providing stability and nourishment. Feel the cool, damp earth embracing your roots, supporting your growth. Sense the strength of your roots as they spread wide and deep, connecting you to the hidden richness of the earth. With each breath, draw strength and sustenance up through these roots into your trunk. Now, turn your awareness to your trunk, thickening and growing taller with quiet persistence. Feel the texture of the bark developing. Rough, protective, a shield that guards your inner core, yet breathes with life. Notice the color of the bark. Perhaps a soft gray or warm brown streaked with silver, dappled with patches of moss and lichen. Sense the steady pulse of life flowing up through your trunk, carrying nourishment and energy from the roots to every part of your being. As you continue to grow, your branches stretch outwards and upwards, exploring the space around you. Each branch reaches for the light, spreading wide to catch the sun's rays. Feel the sensation of expanding, the stretch of your limbs, strong yet flexible. Notice the leaves unfurling on your branches, each one catching the sunlight and turning it into vibrant energy. See the colors, the rich, deep greens, some tipped with golden sunlight, others shaded with cool blue hues in the shadowed areas. Imagine the gentle rustle of leaves in the wind, the soft, whispering sounds that seem to tell stories of growth, resilience, and change. With every passing season, your appearance changes. Feel yourself shifting through cycles of renewal. Buds swelling in spring, full foliage in summer, leaves turning fiery reds, oranges, and golds in autumn. and resting bare in winter's quiet embrace. Know that these cycles reflect your own inner changes. Times of blossoming, abundance, letting go, and renewal. Each phase is necessary and beautiful, part of your journey. As you breathe in, absorb the energy of the sun, the rain, the soil. Feel the life force moving through you, connecting root to branch, branch to leaf, leaf to light. Let yourself feel gratitude for this process. Sometimes slow and subtle, sometimes sudden and striking. But always leading you forward. Toward growth and transformation. If any resistance or fear arises, imagine it as old leaves gently falling from your branches, making way for new growth. Watch these leaves drift away softly on the breeze, releasing what no longer serves you. Return your focus to your roots now, feeling how deeply grounded and steady you are. The earth is always here to support you. Even when change feels uncertain. With each breath, feel your branches reach higher. Your leaves shimmering with life. Your trunk strong and enduring. Your roots steady and deep. Take a moment to reflect on the wisdom of this tree. Its patience, its resilience, its quiet strength. As this meditation draws to a close, carry with you the image of your growing self, rooted in strength. Reaching toward light. Open to change. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your body and your space. Feel the breath flowing gently. your body supported and calm. Open your eyes softly. Holding this deep connection to your own growth and transformation. Have a wonderful life, dear traveler. If this video brought you any peace, you're always welcome to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or share this video with someone who might enjoy a quiet moment today.